This remote control is used for wireless operating and closing of inertial blinds, roll blinds, sun blinds and gate drives. It is useful when you need to open several inertial blinds or roll blinds, for example, open the blinds in several rooms or different floors at the same time, or if you need to control the natural lighting in a big room where the windows may be inaccessible. We offer you this DUVI blinds remote control. All you need is to buy a console and radio receiver that will control the motor. The operating principle is very simple. The control signal from the console is transmitted via radio channel to the receiver, which turns the motor on. In our instance, the motor is represented by two lamps. One of them imitates the opening and the other the closing of blinds. The receiver can be adjusted to reception of the signal from any transmitter of the DUVI radio bus system, a console, a wall radio receiver or a wireless movement sensor. It is to be noted that the device features automatic switching off of voltage from the electronic motor after 2 minutes. Suppose you connect staircase lighting instead of the motor. You will be able to control lighting in places where you need it only for a short time.